Hi, my name is Rafiq and I'm part of a team of engineers based here in Cambridge, UK. What's unique about our team is that not only we're audio experts, but we've been working with Bluetooth for the last 10 years. The team has been working as a consultancy, and a lot of the products that you see out there, such as wireless speakers, wireless headsets, fitness devices, have been developed by us. Now, we've used our experience to produce a product that we think will radically change the way people share music and then stream it to a speaker. It's a Bluetooth audio receiver that allows multiple connections, but also has amazing sound quality. It's called Jambadoo.
Let me explain how Jambadoo works. This is Jambadoo. It can connect to multiple devices, such as a PC, a smartphone, or a tablet PC. When you press play on either of these devices, the music will be received via Bluetooth by Jambadoo and will play on your home speakers.
Being able to connect to 3 devices and play music from each one of them without the need to reconnect was a great challenge, as it has never been done before. We had to review a whole standard way a Bluetooth connection works. This meant control messaging, timing constraints, and streaming techniques of all the latest phones and tablets, so we could adapt our software to provide the best user experience possible. To overcome very fundamental technical obstacles, we had to develop new and sophisticated algorithms for which we filed several patents. The result, Jambadoo can now connect to 3 devices and play music from each one of them without the need to reconnect. We started with the vision of a group of good friends sitting together and sharing the music they love, and now we made it reality.
But we didn't stop there. We wanted the best audio quality possible so that even audiophiles would appreciate Jambadoo. Therefore, we used the best hardware and software we could find. We developed an advanced RF module that produces reliable long-distance Bluetooth communication. We also used the best audio codecs available. This way, Jambadoo produces music true to the original every time.
We've been developing this product for a long time, and it's now ready to go to production. We've tested the multi-connection feature and it works perfectly. The sound is amazing. And we're also developing an application that will enable users to create a shared playlist between their devices. With your backing, we can take this to market, and you can then be the first one to enjoy the Jambadoo experience, and you're gonna love it.